Let me add the chart of account first. Go to the select table and look up for the table list. Okay, let me go there first. In the table list, I'm going to create a new table called a chart of account. Okay, just copy that. And I don't have the tab display, so I need to go down and create a new worksheet. Just call it chart of account. Okay, the spelling has to be matched with the one on the tab name. Okay, just grab everything from the language table. It doesn't matter which one because I just want to save some time. Let me see, it should be starting with B5. I think I'll just copy everything here to the chart of account. Alright, but I need to change the name here. So I need to do Control F3, or I should have a new table. Language list 8. Okay, Control F3 and look up for the language list 8. It should be chart of account. So I just make it chart of account, and this one is the chart of account. Okay. Let me select everything inside and it becomes chart of account. Let me just make it a little bit nicer. Just copying the fields, but I'm going to change the name a little bit, the field name. Alright, grab all these, Ctrl C, and then go to B7, paste as values. Then I need to add these field names to the field list, right? But I'm going to change this a little bit. I just change it to GL account code. The reason why I included underscore is the naming convention in Python because I'm going to build a bookkeeping interface with the mindset to further develop in Python. That's why I'm going to rename this using the Python convention. Alright, so GL account class. And this one is, I just change it to search, GL account code. I put txt because this one is going to be the lookup result based on different languages. Let me copy all these, Ctrl V. I think this one should be language 001. This one should be 001. Just copy that. Need to change it to 2, Chinese and Japanese. Okay, let me change the text code and the process type. Right, let me see. The account code text and the text code will be generated. I'm going to, you know what? Because I have the validation. So I need to do Alt-O-D to get rid of all the validation, okay? Because I'm lazy just copying from the other worksheet. Let me just get rid of that. Copy this, the account code, class, and this one should be white. These two. And this one should be green because we're going to manually type the data. Alright, so let me grab the stuff here. I'm not sure if I can do control. Oh no, because I'm recording. Let's get back. Just fill in the stuff. Right click, paste special. Alright, just make sure everything is white. Let's copy the code here. Alright, the process type and the GL account description. Okay, just copy that. And then right click, paste. Good. Usually I will freeze the cell here so that when you scroll down, you can view it better. So let me freeze pin. Okay, but we don't have the description here, right? I'm going to copy all these cells by pressing Ctrl C, and then I go back to the field list. Okay, hold on. Go back to the field list. Just put it here first. Let me insert cell first. Let me insert some rows. Just add a little more. Okay, and then I select the cell here Control C to copy, and then go to the immediate cell underneath the latest one. Right click, paste special values and transpose because we want to make it vertical. Alright. For tab name, we haven't created the name for the chart of account. Oh, actually we have chart of account here, but we don't have the name. It's okay. So let me just copy that. Okay. So let me fill in the English, Chinese, and Japanese description. So the GL account code. Oh, actually I need to create the chart of account first. So the chart of account, let me do it here. And I need to fill in the tab name of chart of account, right? So this is, just give it a name, chart of account. Remember to spell it this way. And this one is control in the tab list. And we have to fill in the description, control V. Okay, so let me fill in the description. So what is the GL account code? Is going to be the general ledger account number. So that is the description. So we look up for a GL account code and fill in the English and but I'm just manually type it in Excel. Just show you the way for people that don't know any programming language. And the GL account class is this one, general ledger account class. Okay, and next one is the search text. You're not going to show it to anyone, so I just copy the field name and fill that in. Right click, paste value. Okay. And the text code, actually the text code is a little bit complicated. For bookkeeping, I'm not going to explain it here because you don't really need to prepare for the work schedule from the non-accountant's standpoint, right? So that's why I don't think I'm going to go too deep here. Paste that, paste it here. Okay, so everything is ready. So go back to the tab list and I can select the chart of account here now. So let me go to the select table. Yeah, I can select the chart of account. So let me select the chart of account and go back. Let me save it and take a break first.